our baby chopper build.
To get that chopper stance, you know? The wheels are masked. We got some paint stuffs.
This is our baby chopper build, aka our custom Strider bike that we are doing as Blockhead Moto. The Flying Piston Benefit does this every year, and they debut them in Sturgis. And so these bikes, they'll pick a handful of builders and then they make their custom build out of it, and they get auctioned in Sturgis at the Buffalo Chip. So we were given this one. We decided to model it after John's Panhead. So we're gonna do like purple flake. We're gonna have white wheels. We did a 16-inch on the front. We'll have a 12-inch in the back. Change up the frame a little bit. Do like a white leather seat. I'm gonna do little handlebars, little chopper bars. Don't know about the grips yet.
So we're starting on the Strider bike. Like Amanda said, we're gonna do it all purple, flaky, white, chopper vibes.
Hey, wake up, stop sleeping. Before we go any further, let's get a word from our sponsor, Quadlock. Look, lots of our customers have one. Justin's got one. He's got one. He's got one. Oh, look, guys, there's one up here. Oh, wow, there's even one all the way over here on an Indian.
I got it on my iPhone, but they do have it for a lot of other cell phones. They're easy to use. You literally just click it in.
Wow.
You can click it right off. It's got a vibration dampener. Highly recommend that because then it vibrates and it can mess up your camera. So get the vibration dampener. I don't have it, but they also sell one with a wireless charger, so it could actually wirelessly charge your phone while it's locked in.
Put it on screen.
I have it on a Harley, but they also make it for a bunch of other bikes, sport bikes, ADV bikes, dirt bikes, and different ways to mount it. So
can you get one for your car?
You can actually get them for your car too. So even away from motorcycles, they make them for cars and bicycles. You could probably even take it on your boat or a jet ski, but I can't because I don't even own both.
Nice.
Boom. All right, back to the episode.
So we've ordered paint, reducer, we got a paint gun. We're starting the sanding. We're doing like cutting, welding. New wheels is the build. If you guys want more information on it, check out the links down in the description below. All right, next part of building a custom Strider chopper. We found the tubing that we need to extend the forks. We got the caliper out just to make sure we're all good. Wall thickness is the same. Shout out to Tractor Supply for having what we needed. Love this place, but we're also at Harbor Freight. Can't have it, they're more tools, so. Oh, this? Yeah, that's a 16-inch wheel. Baby chopper stance. Welcome to West Depot, here in Wes's garage. You guys follow the channel. Should be familiar with it from the OG times, pre-shop days. We've got wheels and tires in. So we're sticking with the 12 on the back, which is what came with it. The same size as that one, essentially, ish. And we're going 16 on the front to get that chopper stance, you know, kicked up. So we got the wheels in the sizes we wanted. The centers are pink, which we don't necessarily want that, but we can mask those off and paint them. On the frame, we took caliper, measured these, 1 inch. So we got some 1-inch tubing here. Luckily for us, the frame is magnetic, is weldable. We don't need to extend anything on the, I want to say swing arm, but it's not a swing arm. I guess the little back support bracket, you know, figuring it out as we go. We are going to have to modify the front forks though, so we're going to take this wheel off. That's where we put the 16 on. And we're gonna have to extend these. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut here on both sides, measure out, extendo, and then weld these in. We're gonna have to cut these parts out because the axles on the new wheels are larger. So we'll clearance those a little bit because when you say clearance, it sounds way more professional than just wallering it out. But that's what we're doing. Yeah, it's pretty cool. If you guys aren't signed up for like the information on the benefit and all that stuff, check out the link down in the description below. The Flying Piston Benefit. It's super cool. And some of the other bikes that the builders are doing, badass. I don't even think we should be entering this thing. They're so good, honestly. But we're gonna have fun with it and do our take, and hopefully some kid out there likes it. got the original fork pieces clearanced and ready. We got the extensions good to go, and the top neck fork piece. So we'll go boop, boop, and that there.
Okay, so today we are doing the second part of welding. We just tacked the forks yesterday, so we're gonna fully weld them. And then also the bars. So we had these in the garage, so we are gonna cut them and then weld them to the strider bar.
Alright, so now we got bars on the little frame neck insert piece. Tacked. We got these tacked. I think it's time to start like welding, right? Weldy welding.
In preparation for getting ready to prepare for paint, we prepared these tires by removing them from the now prepared wheels.
Say prepare again.
Prepare.
All right, the wheels are masked. We got some paint stuffs. Ultra purple, more purple. Reducer and clear. Dang. Paint process begins.
The reducer, turn it out a little.
Got some balancing clear. All right, what up, Block fam? So we are back to assemble the baby chopper. This is what we've got. I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys through the process of getting all of the masking off. I'm gonna leave the foil on the seat because that is wrapped in white leather and I don't want to get it dirty with my hands, but everything is clear coated. It came out freaking beautiful. Got some white on the bars. I gotta get another coat on there, but let's just go ahead and I'm gonna set this up so we can get this thing reassembled. So Wes is actually fishing this morning, so no Wes for this part. And Amanda is visiting her family in North Carolina. So you guys are stuck with me. Let's get to working on this thing. Just did a test fit with the grips and they go on great. We will definitely be putting some epoxy in them so that they don't come off. We were kind of concerned about length, but I think that they look pretty good. Insane to think that the grips, the paint job, the clear coat all cost more than the bike. So this is gonna be a sick little Strider baby chopper by the time we're done, but that's what they look like. Awesome job to Freak Show Fab on the grips. Skadoosh. The baby chop is done. I've been calling it baby chop. Wes, I mean, you're just now seeing it like kind of finished.
It looks really good. The stickers were very good addition.
Super fancy.
I want to be 5 and ride this.
I think you'd be a bit big at 5 to ride this.
You think 5's too big?
They're doing what, like 2 to 3 year old?
Well, I wish I was 3 so I could
There
ride
you go. You would have been like 6 months.
There you go. There's the baby chop, which we have built for charity.
Yeah, so the Flying Pistons benefit, and they're going to auction it off, I believe, at the VIP party at Sturgis this year. But if you go on to flyingpistonsbenefit.com and go onto their Facebook page, they'll have all the information there.
What was y'all's favorite part about building this thing?
Probably just getting to fabricate again. I never done it professionally, but for fun, like I haven't really fabbed and welded anything in a long time, so that was just good to be creative. Also learning 3D printing stuff, so like these little valve stem caps. We designed and printed those in one night.
Little blockhead dudes.
Had a little hyperfixation after work late one night and worked from about 12:30 until about 4. Printed multiple iterations and was like, oh cool, I figured out how to do this.
Nice. Oh yeah, they look super cool.
To toss up between the clear coat, like find the real clear coat we did, the good one, and seeing like the final part on it, that glaze, and wet sanding, because you couldn't see the glitter when we did it, and then wet sanding and all the glitter came out. That was probably my favorite part.
Yeah, so I was talking to Bombshell today about the glitter, and apparently we weren't supposed to wet sand before we clear coated. So we might have messed that up, but
no way.
Yeah, to anybody in the comment section that's like a professional painter, let us know. So Bombshell and Poly Deluxe, who are professional painters that have painted a lot of our motorcycles professionally, like awesome results. I was talking to her and him about this whenever we picked up paint for the M8 135 supercharger build this morning, and they were asking us how it went. They asked us if we did it pre-made, and I was like, no, we bought it all separate. And then so I told them the process, and they were like, oh, you weren't supposed to sand the
How would you get? Because I feel like the clear would then seal it,
right?
And then you'd have to like go through the clear to the other stuff to get the glitter back.
Yeah, they were talking about some kind of UV protection, like if you sand and like start stripping away and the glitter starts showing silver, which it ends up showing.
That did happen, yeah.
Yeah, but I think it looks great. You live, you learn. If we do, I mean, for our first ever flaky paint job, I love it. My favorite part of the whole thing was the fabrication and then also the body work. So like using Bondo, the first time I've ever used Bondo, and then the whole paint process. So it's something I've wanted to do for a while, especially like with the box. So the other channel, John X Block, I've got a BMW E36 1994. It's rusty as The reason we call it a box, we just replaced the battery tray, which was a hole in the bottom of the car. After we've done this, I know I could make it look great. So this definitely has given me that confidence for us to be able to kind of take that next step. Absolutely love this. It was a lot of fun. Thanks to y'all for, you know, the late nights and helping us build it.
Long days, hot days.
Yeah,
sun,
hot days
sweat.
for sure. You know, we ordered the wheels, tires, so those are different. We cut, extended, welded, bondoed, primered, painted, sealed, the entire thing. Freddie cut out the Blockhead little signature here, put it on there, as well as a little RSSV crest on the front, which doesn't have the RSSV in it because it was too small. Threw it on the back there as well. So the little pistons actually kind of works out because flying pistons. Drew, you know, we got the grips from him, so those are custom handmade grips from Freak Show Fab. We went to, where was it, Joanne, and found the leather to wrap the seat. So Amanda wrapped the seat. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this whole process. Do us a favor, let us know your favorite part on this whole thing, and drop a comment down below. If you guys did enjoy it, hit the like button. Lets YouTube know that we're doing a good job. Be sure to go give these guys a follow. So Amanda at Wes at
Face nectar.
me at John X Black. Cool. Head over to those links if you guys are interested in bidding on, you know, any of the bikes. There's some cool ones that we've seen in the past. Really looking forward to seeing these ones coming up here for this year as well.
They select the builders each year, so it's not like you get to sign up every year. So we were selected to do it this year, which is a really big honor.
Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Hit subscribe, hit the bell, tell your mom and your dad, and like your brother and sister and your nieces and nephews and all that stuff.
Your 3-year-old niece, yeah.
And your 3-year-old, yeah, share this with them. Tell them baby choppers exist. All right, catch you on the next one. Peace.